Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening the admin menu. This is where changes lock down. Press and hold the program key on the keypad or select settings if you have a touchscreen. You need the master code to proceed. Once authenticated, navigate to Fingerprint or biometric options so you don't waste time hunting menus later. Make sure battery level is healthy. Low power can interrupt enrollment and corrupt the template. Now, select Add or Replace Fingerprint and prepare to scan with a steady finger placement. You now perform the enrollment carefully. If you want to overwrite an existing credential, select Replace, otherwise choose Add to keep past prints. Press finger to the reader calmly, hold for the short vibration or beep, then lift and repeat when prompted. The sensor needs multiple samples to build a reliable template. Vary angle slightly between scans to improve recognition. Once the device confirms enrollment with a tone or green LED, name or index the entry if available, and commit the change. You finish by validating the change. Test the new fingerprint multiple times from different approaches and after the lock cycles to simulate normal use. If recognition fails, re-enroll that finger and ensure the sensor is clean. A lint-free cloth with 70% isopropyl solves most contact issues. Make sure you did not accidentally select Replace if you wanted both prints. If problems persist, reboot the lock or swap batteries, then repeat enrollment. This clears transient errors and preserves the new template when saved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.